Hi, this is Jason from xlsxhelp.com, and I'm going to go over a quick tutorial on how to make a pivot table and some of the functions, like how to filter data, things like that. So what I have here is some data. We have type of food, description, and cost USD per pound that I just made up using rand between. So we have our data set. So once we have a full data set with the column headings, what we're going to do is hit Control A. You're going to go to Insert, Pivot Table, and it's okay that you want to bring it into a new worksheet. So now that we have it in a new worksheet, you can see over to the right we have three sections here. We have our column headings, which is type of food, description, and cost USD per pound. So a couple of things that we can do here is we can create a filter. So let's filter on the type of food. We can just drag and drop that into the report filter, and we'll bring our description into the row labels and our cost into values, and it's going to automatically default into the cost USD per pound sum, and as you can see it's going to show you all. And what we can do is hit the drop down and we can start analyzing some of our types of food, for example fruit, and it's going to filter on the fruit, and as you can see it's a total of 10. What we can also do is, as you can see in our original data table, it's all mixed up between meat, cheese, fruit, cheese, meat, meat. One of the things that you can do here is, instead of using it as a filter, you can do it as an automatic sort and summary. So as you can see, dropping type of food from report filter into your row labels gives you a nice quick summary of all your data. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring that back up to report filter, and I'm going to show you some of the different types of functions. So right now, as I said, it defaults to the cost per pound. If you hit the drop down over here, you go to value field settings, you have a whole bunch of options here. So for example, you can do your count, and let's filter on meat. So right now we're filtering on meat, and this is, you can see there are three options in your grand total. You can double up on your formulas, and you can do your sum of cost. And now, for example, if you wanted to do a weighted average, you can, if this were greater than 1, you can come up with, your percentage multiplied by your cost USD and come up with a weighted average. Or you can do your maximum. And you can see here it'll show you that your maximum value is 9. Pretty simple stuff, pretty easy to do. With larger data tables, obviously you'll get some better analysis, but this is just a quick tutorial of how to do a pivot table. If you guys have any questions, you can head over to xlsxhelp.com and go into the tutorials, and I'll answer any of your questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe and favorite. Thanks.